So its first method to come to gigabyte.com, you can see here www.gigabyte.com. You can see here in the right side search button, and then type model number of your motherboard B860M Eagle plus WIFI6E, then hit enter. Then you can see here the product, so click on that. So you can see here two type versions, 2.0 and 2.1. So both installations process same. Okay, select any which is you are using, select that. After that, installation process all same 100%. Okay, you can follow that video and you can install any other versions, 2.0 and 1.0 any. Okay, then click to support. You can see here the operating system Windows 10 and 11. I am using Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. Okay, and if you know about your operating system, you can select all and then install. Okay, audio driver, click to download. You can see here the size. After click download, automatically it start. You can see here. It is completed. Then click to setup. Then just double click to exe file. Wait few seconds. It will show yes no means required administrator rights. Then click to yes. Now this is extract to data for ready to install. Then close automatically means it is done.